Hello everyone, welcome to Custer Squad. So today we will learn some Adobe Photoshop features and settings. But before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Let's start the video. So this is the home page of Adobe Photoshop, and on left side you can see this create new or open. If you click on open, then directly image is open on workspace, and if you click on create new, then this window is open. From here you can set any title for your project. And if you click this, then you can see these options: pixel, inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, but I suggest this, select this pixels. And from here you can set width and height according to your need or requirement. For example, I set width is 1000 pixels and height also 1000 pixels. And in resolution, if you design something for printing, then set the resolution 300, but if you design something for online screen, then set the resolution 72 pixel per inch. Next is color mode. In color mode, RGB color and CMYK color. RGB color is for online screen and CMYK color for printing. So if you work for online screen, then select this RGB color, otherwise for printing select this CMYK color. So I select this RGB color. Background content white, so click on create. The document is created. Here you see some windows on right side, and on left side some tools. So first is move tool. If you click this, you can move anything on this workspace. And next is marquee tool. Third is lasso tool, object selection tool, then crop tool, frame tool, eyedropper tool, spot healing, brush, text, then rectangle tool, hand tool, and zoom tool. We will learn one by one these all tools too in my upcoming videos, but today we just check basic features of Adobe Photoshop. So on right side you can see the layer. This is layer, and by clicking on this lock you can unlock this layer, and you can lock this layer by clicking here like this. If you want to work on this document, then just from here select the tool and work on your document, and after completing your work, then go to file and export. Otherwise, if you want to place some other images on your document, then on the top click on file, and if you go down, then you see place embedded. Just click on this, then go to your images, select your image, and then click on place. So your image is placed on your document. Click on this move tool, so you can move your image anywhere on document. So if you see on right side, now two layers are here. If you click on this eye icon, then the cartoon layer is disappeared, and again click, then this is shown. So like this you can hide or show the layer by clicking this icon. You can move the layers also upward or downward. If I move this white layer over this cartoon layer, then the cartoon layer is hidden. So if again I move this layer at the top of this document layer, then you can see. One more thing is, if you select any tool from here, for example I select this pen tool and select some rough, click on make selection, OK, and if I delete this selected portion, then you can see could not complete your request because the smart object is not directly editable. What is smart object? If you see this icon on any image, it means this image is smart object, smart image. So first convert the smart image into rasterized. So right click on image layer and go to rasterized layer, then click on this rasterize layer. So now this image is not smart image, this is rasterized layer. Now you can work on this image freely. So now I can delete this selected part of this image after rasterizing the layer. If you want to undo any action on Photoshop, then just go to edit and click on undo layer. The deleted action is undo, or you can undo anything by entering Ctrl Z. If you want to deselect this selection, just go to select and click on deselect, so this selection is disappear. After completing your project, if you want to export your image or your work, just go to file, and if you go to export, then you can see these options. Just click on export as. So you see this window. In format, if you click here, you can see PNG, JPG, GIF, SVG. You can export this image in any format, PNG, GIF or SVG. And from here you can also set again the width and height of image. Otherwise just click on export, and then if you set the name of this image, then write the name, and from here select the folder where you want to save or export your image and just click on save. So these are some simple and basic features of Adobe Photoshop. Hope you understand. If you have any question, then ask me in comment section. I will be happy to answer all your queries. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. See you in another interesting and informative video. Take care. Bye bye.